Ano ang ibig sabihin ng salary increase for government workers will be given retroactively beginning January 2024? Answer, ang sagot friends is based sa article na sinulat ni Sir Daryl Isguera dated August 1, 2024. Actually, nandito na po yung sagot. I-simplify na natin pag-explain para maintindihan natin. Ito na po. Unang-una, good news po ito, no? Kasi may salary increase ang mga government employees. Ang tanong, kailan po mabigay? Ayan na po. Basahin natin ang first sentence. The first of the four tranche salary increase for government workers that President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. announced in the third State of the Nation address, SONA, last week will start this year and will be given retroactively beginning January 2024. When you say retroactive, friends, ang ibig sabihin yan, dyan mag-start ang competition sa pagbigay ng salary increase. 'Di ba ngayon, ano na tayo, August. So ang competition pala, ang salary increase natin ng mga government employees starting January 2024. Retroactive, right? So continue. In a palace briefing Thursday, Budget Secretary Amena Pangandaman and the Department of Budget and Management is currently crafting the executive order that will detail the salary increase. Ayan, ginagawa pa po ang executive order. On process pa po. Ibig sabihin, friends, hindi pa yan ma-release ang salary increase natin this year. Continue. As of now, we are perfecting the executive order and we are hoping for the issuance of the executive order soon. Pangandaman said. Ayan po. So wala pang exact date kailan matapos itong executive order. The salary increase will run from 2025 through 2027, she added. Ibig sabihin, friends, 2025 pa po mag-start ang releasing ng salary increase na ito. Hindi po this year, 2024. In fact, nasa last sentence yan, the DBM said it has allocated 70 billion in the 2025 National Expenditure Program to ensure the implementation of the initial tranches of the salary increase. Simply said, friends, gagawan pa yan ng pondo or budget bago i-release. So, obviously, friends, year 2025 pa talaga ma-release po itong salary increase natin. Kasi may budget na yan, gawan po yan ng budget sa 2025 National Expenditures Program amounting to 70 billion pesos. Ayan po. So, for me, sa tingin ko, January 2025 siguro yan ma-release. Ang salary increase natin starting January 2024 kasi retroactive po yan. Ibig sabihin, malaki po ang makuha natin. Apart from monthly salary increase na maiba na yung basic salary natin, plus meron pa tayong ma-receive from January 2024 to December 2024 na hindi na-release. Yan ang tawag na retroactive. Alright? Hope na nasagot ko yung question or concern sa mga government employees na nagtatanong regarding this. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Gawan pa natin ng more videos about sweldo ng government employees. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.